So in the last video we studied about the variables and how the variables are defined and declared and values are assigned, and we saw how we can globally declare an integer variable and how we can serial print the values and such things. So today we will see about other data types like character, string, things like that, and how we handle them, right? So if you don't have much idea on this, I encourage you to go back to the last video and maybe the video before that, last two, three videos, and come back to this video. So I removed that one time part because now we are familiar with the setup block, and we know that this runs only one time, and we are familiar with the void loop block, and we know this runs repeatedly, and also we know that we are defining variable on top of both loops as a global variables normally, so that we can access from that. And also, depending from our purpose, some variables we are defining as local variables as well within a particular block if you are using it within that block, right? So hopefully that is understandable, right? So since we done with integer type variables, so today we will give a try on character types variables. So what we can do is we can write a character char, and let's say x is equal to, and we can mention a character, right? So normally what we do is we mention a character within a single quote, let's say a. So when we say so, and we will have a semicolon as I explained you earlier, that means you have a character called variable called character. So character is the data type like integer. So for numbers we have int as I said earlier, and for single letters, okay, or even the number character value, we can call them as char characters. So like you can even have one here, that's totally fine, but this one cannot be used as an integer value anywhere you want, because you cannot add this one to another integer value and calculate. You can't do things like that because now you are using this as a character means as a letter, okay? So just forget about one, let's have a here. So the character a is the variable that is holding this character a is named as x. So whenever we talk about x, we basically talk about the value a. Basically what we do is we have a memory location and we name the memory location as x, and in the particular memory location we are storing the character a. So whenever you call x, we are actually calling a, right? So if you want to serial print the value, so you know we have to write a serial begin, and we can fix a speed over here and a semicolon obviously. So then you can serial print the character value, serial.println, and you can display the value. So let's say x, just fine, and simply you can use your semicolon. Okay, so as I said you, if you are using a variable, you don't need to have double quotations. You can just simply use the variable, since now the variable's name is in the Arduino's dictionary, okay? So because we have declared the variable, so Arduino knows what x means is actually, so you don't need to write it within the double quotes. So everything is fine. So when you say like that, a will be printed. So you can even change the value if you want, even inside void setup or void loop. So I'm not writing it inside the void setup. So what we can do is we can change the x value now, not block letters, simple. So x is equal to let's say b, okay? So if you don't understand what I am doing, you can go to the last video and the video before that, last two videos, go through them and you can come back and you will understand what I am actually doing. So that's fine. So again I will try to print a serial println. So what I will do is I will copy this and I will paste this here. So now what will be the output? Can you guess? So basically the character value on the x is a. So when we have start the serial beginning in the setup loop, so one time we are going to run that and we are going to print x value, right? So a will be printed because x is a, right? The value within for x of x, the variable name x, what it refers is the value a, character value a. So a will be printed one time and void setup will stop after one time, and then void loop is going to be running forever hereafter repeatedly. So we will have one a printed in our serial monitor. After that continuously we will have b printed in our serial monitor forever endlessly. So hopefully this can be understandable, and you can change the X values anywhere you want, and you can see print the values. So if you don't understand that, just go to the previous video and the video before that, go through that and come back, and this will be a crystal clear thing to you. So that's fine. So in our next video, we will look at have a look at the string data types. No, character data type we have done. So remember, this is the CHR is the data type name in according to the Arduino language. So for characters we use CHAR. Like the numbers, for numbers we use INT. For character we use CHAR. So for numbers, yes, there are other data types also. So for the moment we are using INT, right? So this is a data variable name X, and the variable value is A. So this is all clear to you. So we will study the string variables in the next video probably, and I will catch you up on that video. Until then, bye.